If you're somebody trying to sell something online and you've been told, oh, you got to find your niche and then you'll be able to find your message. And then once you have all that, then you can make sales. And when you do content, it all works out, everything, right? Well, here's what a lot of people do. They think of the person that they're trying to sell, and that's what they're told. I was told the same thing. But instead of thinking about like, what are all these attributes about them, where they live, how much they make, what they drive, what they're into, all these things, that's not the right way to go about this. The reason why is because it limits you. You go from a huge market that you can sell down to this tiny little circle of maybe somebody that's got one arm, 3 dogs, they live in Vermont, they drive a pickup, and they love cheese, right? That's going to limit your market. It's going to make it so hard. It's like finding a needle in a haystack. Instead, here's what you want to do. You want to find a problem that somebody needs to solve, right? So if you find a problem, anybody that has that problem, you can help them. Your solution can be a help to them. So you don't have to worry about calling out this specific person. You can just say, if you have this problem, I can help you. And that's going to open up your market, and you can get really good at dialing in problem that you solve and talking to them about that. You're trying to get somebody from their current situation to their desired situation. So you're trying to get them from point A over here, point B. And when you do that, you get the money because they're trying to get to their desired situation and they're stuck. If you can get them over that wall, they give you the money, and it's a lot easier to go about talking about the problem than it is trying to identify and reach to some person with the specific niche. Once you know the problem, you just describe the problem to them how they're describing it to everything and everyone else. If you want to learn more about how to make money online by selling your advice with courses, membership programs, and virtual masterminds, just go to makeonce.com. I've got a free course over there, and I've got my pocket coaching. You'll love it.